Welcome everyone back with another video, Investment Fours. Today is Sunday. My portfolio is in over $2,800, $83.66. For the week, what I made in dividends, you see it's finally cleared up. I might have had some more deposits that could come through on Monday and Tuesday, so I'm sitting at $38.32. This is just all from dividend payouts, so that's actually pretty good. And I'm ready to gear up for Monday morning and see what the market brings us for this next week coming up. But got some new recurring buys. So I set a recurring buy on ticker symbol QQQ. I think this will give me the best bang for my buck. This really stabilizes portfolio. I'm really about to start taking this one very seriously and focusing on getting one share of this company. And you see I'm at a market value of $159.67. So I got a long way to go. Set a recurring buy at $50, so every time I get paid, it'll be $50 going into this fund. You see this fund has been up over 13%. My total return over 13% for this fund here. It's actually been performing very well. The overall portfolio has been doing better than pretty much all my stocks and ETFs in this portfolio. So majority of them has been doing one of the best. So I'm really going to take this one serious. I'm really going to start adding more to this fund. I'm actually excited about it to see what this one does, and it believes it plays out a pretty nice dividend too as well. So I'm going to start taking things very serious for this portfolio. First, it was just, just a little bit having fun and trying out the high yield max ETFs, which is, not bad. I'm not planning on selling those, but I'm doing a little bit of a shift. So I know it's gonna be kind of boring, but we can try to get the best bang for my buck on putting my money in the market. So I'm gonna bet my money on QQQ. So this is not financial advice. This is just please make sure you do your research and tell me what you think about QQQ. What are y'all looking at? Is anything other just as good as QQQ? I know about VOO and what's the other one here? VUG. It's quite a few of them out there. SPY, the SPY too as well. I'm just gonna focus on this one right now, but those are pretty pricey too. But so far as good funds and ETFs, what do you think about those? Comment down below. Please let me know. So that's what I'm kind of looking at to get this week up and going. And I will be also adding more to YMAG this week. Set a recurring buy to this one as well. This one actually hasn't been down so far as all the yield max funds that I hold. It takes a nice beating, and I just went ahead and turned a recurring buy. It's not much, but it's $25 every time I get paid. I got a little bit over one share, almost 1.5 shares. It's only down 2%. This pays out a pretty good dividend too as well. It's stabilized, not too much NAV erosion. It's trading around $14.90. So I will be adding more to this fund. I want to try to get this one at least 100 shares, and then I'll be happy with that. Then I'll kind of move on and see what other funds I can start adding to. So my goal is to get 100 shares of pretty much all these funds, 100 to 1,000 shares, but it's going to take some time. So, and the most that I have, I'm pretty sure y'all know is that's ticker symbol ULTY. That's the most stocks that I have of the fund is ticker symbol ULTY, which it's actually been taking a beating. And like I said, I'm going to continue to buy this fund. It's trading on $4.58, but I have the most shares with this company. I have 235 shares of this company, and I am planning on buying more. I actually did set up recurring buy on this fund too as well at $25. So not much as I used to be. I used to put $100 in every time I got paid, but now I kind of just tone back. I'm gonna step back a little bit and just let it do its thing. I took the drip off, but I'm probably going to end up turning the drip back on this one. Just keep recurring and just buying more. So you see I got 235 shares, market value over $1,000, $78.96. And you see I'm down 22%. That's a nice little beating there. So I'm not going to sell, so I don't want to take that loss 300, but we'll see what this fund does. If I start going around over 50-60%, then there is a problem there. So I will be buying more. And actually another fund too that I'm actually really interested to is ticker symbol HOOY. and that's Huey, Yield Max Hood Option Income Strategy ETF, $61. I actually put a recurring buy on this one too as well. So I'm gonna be putting in $50 every pay period into this fund too as well. I like the dividend. It pays a little bit over $1 and some change. I really like them. Trying to focus on getting 10 shares of this company here, and that'll be $10 a week. And then from them 10 shares, I'm gonna go to 20 shares. So you see where I'm going with this. I'm trying to get to $100 a week just in this fund alone. So that's my kind of game plan for Hood Option Income Strategy ETF. I think this one will be a great fund to build out as well. I believe, I don't think I have any more recurring buys or anything. And oh yes, I do, but it's not showing yet. But I do have a new fund that I just have to add into this individual account, and that's Netflix. I'm gonna get in on the split. So I got a recurring buy of $50. I'm just gonna keep adding no matter what. So keep that recurring buy on Netflix and just keep buying no matter what. I'm gonna try to get as many shares as I possibly can on Netflix. Hopefully we'll see how to do it in the next 5-10 years. I'm just gonna not turn unless I have something happen with the job or anything like that, but I'm gonna keep the recurring buy on ticker symbol Netflix. So that's gonna be a new addition. You'll be seeing that later on this week. I already set the recurring buy, so I'm actually excited to see what this fund does. And comment down below, let you know what you think about these recurring buys for this week. It should be a great week. Hopefully, coming over. I know we've been down last few weeks, so comment on, let me know your thoughts about the market. What are you looking at this week? What are you buying this week? And make sure you guys check some of the links down below. And everybody have a great weekend. I'm out. Peace. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe.